there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making the best purchasing decisions without losing your sanity. Today, we're diving deep into the world of steam cleaning with a showdown between two heavyweights in the pet cleaning arena: the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop and the Bissell PowerFresh Vac and Steam All-in-One Vacuum. And trust me, folks, this is about to get steamy. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about the price. The Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop is priced at $144, making it a budget-friendly option while also supporting the Bissell Pet Foundation with each purchase. Reviewers appreciate this aspect, feeling like they are contributing to a good cause while getting a quality product. On the other hand, the Vac and Steam costs $185. But for those willing to spend a bit more, it offers the convenience of vacuuming and steaming simultaneously. It's perfect for those who want to tackle messes quickly without multiple devices. Next, let's talk features. The Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop is a versatile 2-in-1 machine that comes with 13 attachments, making it a favorite among reviewers who love its ability to clean both floors and above. Users rave about its cleaning power and quick drying time, especially for tough areas like grout. The Vac and Steam, however, provides a dual function of vacuuming and steaming at the same time, which is a game changer for busy households. Reviewers have found this feature to be extremely convenient, particularly for those with kids and pets. Now let's get down to performance. The Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop boasts a powerful 1500-watt rating and eliminates 99.9% of germs and bacteria, making it a hit among users who appreciate its effectiveness and quick warm-up time. Reviewers have noted its ability to clean various surfaces while leaving no chemical residue. Meanwhile, the Vac and Steam also claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs and features easy-touch digital controls, allowing users to switch between vacuum and steam easily. Some reviewers have pointed out that while the steamer may not be the most powerful, it still effectively cuts cleaning time in half. Finally, let's talk ease of use. The Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop comes with a 25-foot power cord, which is appreciated by users but may be limiting in larger spaces. Reviewers highlight its pet-friendly design and ease of handling. In contrast, the Vac and Steam allows for simultaneous vacuuming and steaming, making it easier for busy users to clean without switching devices. However, some reviews mention that it can be a bit loud and difficult to maneuver in tight spaces, which is something to consider if you have a lot of furniture. Overall, reviewers have shared positive experiences with both products. The Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop is praised for its cleaning power and versatility, while the Vac and Steam is appreciated for its convenience in multitasking. Both products have their strengths, making them suitable for different types of cleaning needs. So smart buyers, which one should you choose? If you want a dedicated steam mop that doubles as a handheld cleaner and saves pets, the Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop is your best bet. But if you're looking for a vacuum and steam combo that makes you feel like a cleaning ninja, the Vac and Steam is calling your name. Remember, whether you go with the Lift-Off or the Vac and Steam, you can't go wrong because both will help you tackle those pet messes like a pro. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart buying decisions. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart.